Hey there, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will walk you through on how to log into NICEIC. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Let's tap into that, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap into that and type in NICEIC login and hit enter. Now make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. It may take a while. There you go. You'll be logged in. You'll be greeted with the login page, and you can see 2 empty fields. All you gotta do is type in your email and password there. Let's type in our email at the very first. And the password. That's it. And if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option that says forgot password. You can simply tap into that and it will help you through. I'm hoping you have an account on NICEIC. If you do not have one, you can simply create one by tapping in that create account option. Since we already have an account and we have already filled that information, all we gotta do now is tap into that red button that is login, and you'll be logged into your NICEIC account. So it's very simple. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and share. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.